If you are going to run this conference and run the affairs of the Youth League through common sense, know that you have failed your generation. We need fresh ideas. We need fresh thinking. We need fresh approach. And that fresh approach is one and one thing only. The ANC does not belong to DA. The ANC does not belong to Zille. The ANC must reclaim its stand at any time. We might be a generation of government of national unity, but our approach is very simple. It's the total emancipation for power for everyone, so that the ANC must lead this government and the ANC must lead this country alone without any other person accompanying us. We need young people to shape that particular future. We are children of Herikwala. We are children of Krisani. We are children of Peter Mugaba. Cowardice is